This is my gonna look at you. He's not from the candy and he's gonna go pet the doggos.
This is Hershey. Hey, baby.
He's
Oh,
12.
this is Gus. Hey,
He's 2. And here comes Goofy. You're like,
and then this is Goofy.
he's very stubborn.
Oh, they do smell. Oh, hi, Hershey. You want the lap too?
Oh, no, that was a lot. Earlier, she's doing this
Huh? Hey, baby. Hi, you.
when I was teaching her.
Hi, you too. Hi. Scuba's want to do the lap.
Yeah, you're a dog magnet.
Look.
You're a dog magnet.
I know.
They love ya.
These puppies are so cute. You want to join down here too? I know I'm so lovable. Oh, hi, baby.
Cool.
Hi. You're the cutest doggy ever.
Here it goes.
Ooh.
Oh, there they go playing. They're playing. Oh gosh, no! No, you're going. I think I publicly humiliated my dog Scooby. Because Gus can think he teach his girlfriend. Run, Scooby! Run! Well,
Oh, these dogs. What can I say?
Hershey's the most well-behaved one.
Yeah. And then
There's Gus. Not well-behaved.
yeah, the next one will hit.
But he's best at dinner time when we're not.
Scoobers!
That's some amazing itch.
Hi, Scoobers. Hi, baby.
My mom says he has Johnny Depp's eye makeup. He looks like he's wearing eyeliner. Well, maybe were the fingers blocking me? Okay. There's my friend. Are you wearing earrings? Look at her amazing earrings. And she has nerd socks.
And they say nerd me.
Nerd
socks.
Scooby, you look like you're miserable. Let me help.
Why are you itching yourself, dude?
Because they're dogs. They don't have
Look at
thumbs.
his eyes. He looks like a vampire.
The eyes are blue on camera, I think. Wait, are they blue right now? No. They're blue when you take a picture. Now let's go follow Hershey. Well, I terrorized my dog with his box yesterday. And I scared him when I was in it.
Follow me.
To the magical land of Oz!
To the magical land of dogs, you mean.
You can do it. Yeah.
I have flying monkeys, and I'm not afraid to
Yes,
use
my
them.
brother got that from my mom last year.
Whoosh.
Flying so high. Woo! I just jumped replay.
You're feeling neglected. You're feeling neglected. Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, you're a good boy.
It's like that's the spot.
Gussie.
Can you let Hershey out?
Ah.
Can I let Hershey out?
Yeah.
You love her. Wait, Hershey. Yeah, go Hershey. He loves her. He really loves her. Oh no, he doesn't love her right now. He loves outside more than you. How do you feel about that?
What?
How do you feel that the dogs love outside more than you? They love going outside.
When?
I'll tell